ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः हरिः ओम् अस्तु. So it is going to be you, me and Kulashekara Mahodaya, I think. So were you able to listen to the previous class recording, Mahodaya? No, you didn't get time. Astu. So we discussed two very important things last class. Last class was the prime class. When you get the time, please see the recording. But otherwise also I will go ahead today with what we covered. 1 second, just a second. So we were talking about, remember, Saha Balakaha, Yeshaha Balakaha, correct? So what happens if there are two people there? Saha Balakaha, Tau Balakau, Te Balakaha. Tau Balako is when two children are there. Te Balakaha when many children are there. Close by, it is Yeshaha Balakaha, Etau Balakau, Ete Balakaha. So this has to be memorized. This is only for Pullinga that I have said. For Strilinga, Napumsakalinga also, we have to remember. So for Strilinga, it is Yesha Balika, Ete Balike, Etaha Balikaha, Sa Balika, Te Balike, Taha Balikaha. So what I'm saying is, that is a girl, those two are girls, those are all girls. You remember, no? There are three genders and three vachanas. So one ekavachana is singular, dvivachana is dual, and bahuvachana is plural. So there are three vachanas and three lingas. Astu. I'm just thinking what I covered last class and what I did not cover. So yeah, so last class we saw that Ramaha, Lalita Mahoday, you can go ahead and read this. We can't hear you. Can everybody hear her or is it just me?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yes.
Mahodaya, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Oh, your voice I cannot hear. Sorry to waste time.
Okay, I will move on to, can you hear me, Lalita Mahoday? I think she can't hear me. Okay, so last class was a very important class. You please, whoever missed the recording, please watch the recording. It talks about the present tense, the lat lakara. Present tense is I had last class very beautifully explained it. Definitely go and see it. This class is just a revision of that class. So, okay, so Ramaha, what are the three endings that I'll quickly go through this. In Pullinga, we learned A ending words, E ending words, and U ending words, correct? So it is Ramaha, Ramav, Ramaha, Harihi, Hari, Harayah, Guruhu, Guru, Guravah. Astu. For Strilinga, it is Rama, A ending Strilinga Shabda and E ending Strilinga Shabda. So Rama, Rame, Ramaha, Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah. And for Napumsakalingam, A ending Napumsakalingam. A ending. So Vanam, Vane, Vanani. Astu. Now what is for I? Aham, Avam, Vayam. Yakulashehekra Mahadev, do you want to read this?
Mahoday.
Vadatu, Patatu.
Aham, Avam, Vayam.
So Aham is I.
I.
Avam is we two. Vayam is we all.
We all.
Then please read this also.
Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam.
Yeah. So Tvam is you. Yuvam is you two. Yuyam is you all. So this is something we have to remember. All these days we could, with context we could understand. Atra means here, the, Mahodaya means sir, madam, whatever. But from now on, we have to remember all this. These things have to be totally remembered. Now, Eshaha.
Shall I, Mahoday?
Yeah, please read.
Eshaha, Etau, Ete.
So Eshaha is this he too, they all. Yeah. He too, they all. When he is close by. And when he is far away?
Saha, Tau, Te.
Yeah.
For in Strilinga it will be Esha, Ete, Etaha. So Strilinga when far away, Sa, Te, Taha.
Yeah. And Napumsakalingam when it is close by?
Etat, Ete, Etani.
And when it is close by, far away, sorry.
Tat, Te, Tani.
Tat, Te, Tani. So this is what we learned last class. And also we learned how it will change. So if I say Saha Patati, right? For Sa, we will say what? Saha Patati, what is the meaning?
He is reading.
He is reading. For she is reading, what will it be?
Sa Patati.
Yeah, so this Patati will not change based on the Linga, he, she, it will not change. But the conjugation will change for I. How will I say I read?
Aham Patami.
Aham Patami. Aham Patami. So last class we saw how it changes. Hold on a second. How it changes. Since some of you did not come, no, I have to show this. Then only it will make sense. And even if you have come, it is better if you are completely new to Sanskritam to read this. So Vinod Mahodaya, can you read? So this is in Pratama Vachana, Pratama Purushaha. This is Pratama Purusha, meaning third person. In Ekavachana, Patati. So you can say Balakaha Patati or Balika Patati or Ramaha Patati, Krishnaha Patati. Somebody is reading. Patataha, when there are two people reading. So I can say Ramau Patataha. Ramau Patataha or Late Patataha. Correct. And Patanti is for plural. Patanti is for plural. Madhyama Purusha is for you. For you. When you look at somebody and say you are reading, then you say Tvam Patasi. You are reading, then you say Tvam Patasi. You too are reading, then you say Yuvam Patataha. And when many people are reading, then I mean when many you all are reading, then you say Yuyam Pathatha. The last one is Uttama Purusha, which is I. I read. Aham patami, avam patavaha, vayam patamaha. Avam patavaha, vayam patamaha. Any questions here? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute. Lalita Mahadev, do you understand what I'm saying? Because you missed last class, no? So basically, in the conjugation, it changes based on who is performing the action. So, naan padikirain, avan padikiran. So, rain and ran changes, right? At the end of the verb. Similarly, but me happens when it is Uttama Purusha, which is I. C is Tvam, T is for third person. This conjugation is for the dual, and this is for plural. Yes? Prashna अस्ति वा? वदतु ध्रुवा महोदय.
Mahoday, that means the ending doesn't change whether it is masculine or feminine gender, that like male pathatah, ramau pathatah. The
Yes.
pathatah remains the same for both. Only the word indicates whom we are referring to.
Yes. The number
that
of people. Yes.
Yeah, the number of people. The action remains the same. The kriya
Yes.
remains the same.
Yes.
The ending of that kriya, but the number of people is indicated by the word, like balikeya, ramo. So then there are two, or two girls or two ramas. That is indicated by the what we use, but
Yes.
the ending patataha, likhataha, that will remain the same. All right.
Yes.
Just that.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Thank
So yeah, we were at Vinod Mahodaya, right? So can you read this, Mahodaya?
Yes, ma'am. Pratama Purushaha ekavachana patati, dvivachana patataha, bahuvachana patanti. Madhyama Purushaha ekavachana patasi, dvivachana patataha, bahuvachana patata. Uttama Purushaha ekavachana patami, द्विवचन पटावः, बहुपुरुषः पटामः.
Bahuvachana patamaha. So now if I say I read, but how will you say?
Aham patami.
So then for two people, we two read.
Avaham patavah.
Avam pata. We all read.
Vayam.
Vayam pata maha. Astu. So then similarly, you read.
You. Tvam. Tvam patasi.
Tvam patasi. You two.
Yuvam patataha.
You all.
Yuyum patata.
Yuyam patata. Then say similarly for boy reads.
Boy means balaka. Balaka patati.
Balakaha patati. Two boys read.
Balakaha. Balakau patataha.
Many boys read.
Balake.
Ramaha Ramo
Balakaha patanti.
Patanti. Now suppose if I have to say he reads.
Yeshaha patati.
If he's close by. If he's far away.
Saha
patati. Suppose if I have to say these two boys are reading.
Etau.
Etau.
Balakau. Patavaham.
No. You have to say Pratama Purushaha.
Okay. Patataha.
Etau patataha. Or etau balakau. So you understood. Super. Astu. So who wants to go next? Kulashekara Mahodaya.
Aham patami.
No, go to likhami.
Likhami, okay. Aham likhami.
Hmm.
Avam likhavah.
Hmm.
Vayam likhamah.
Hmm.
Tvam likhasi.
Hmm.
Yuvam likhatah.
Hmm.
Yuyam likhatah. Likhata.
Hmm.
Likhata.
Hmm.
Balakah likhati.
Hmm.
Balakau likhatah.
Hmm.
Balakaah likhanti.
Astu सम्यक्. Suppose if I have to say these teachers, right? Male teachers. Many, not just two.
अध्यापक teachers read madam महोदय.
Right, sorry, right.
अध्यापकाः लिखन्ति.
Likhanti. And if they are close by, then you say?
एताः अध्यापकाः लिखन्ति.
Yete adhyapika.
एते अध्यापकाः लिखन्ति.
Likhanti. Samyak. Astu. Dhruva Mahodaya. Can be, we'll use the root pach. Pach.
Pach.
Pach to cook.
Cook. So for near and far, Bhagini, Mahoday. Can I be heard?
I think Mahodaya's her line has got stuck, I believe, some issue.
Yeah, I think so too. Okay. I think she dropped off from the call, right? Mahoday was dropped from the call.
I think she'll be rejoining, I believe.
I think she's off.
Okay. Astu. Go ahead. Any gender.
Any gender. So, Eshaha pachati. Etau pachataha. Ete pachanti. Saha pachati. Tau pachataha. Te pachanti.
Samyak. Madhyama Purusha.
Madhyama Purusha. Eshaha
Nasti.
pachati.
Madhyama Purusha tarhi tvam pachasi. You are
Huh.
cooking.
Oh. Okay. Tvam pachasi.
Hmm.
Yuvam pachatha. Yuyam pachatha. Right?
Samyak. Uttama Purusha. Aham pachami.
Aham pachami. Aham pachami. Avam pachavaha. Vayam pachamaha.
So now if I say two male cooks cook.
So, etau pachatau. No, pachataha.
No. Yeah. Etau pachakau pachataha.
Etau pachakau pachataha. Okay.
If they are close by. So if they are far away, then I say
Then tau pachakau pachataha.
pachataha. Samyak. So then dhanyavadaha. Lalita Mahodaya, do you want to try the dhatu pib? Pib to drink. Pib. Lalita Mahodaya. We can't hear you, Mahodaya. Can you hear me? Astu. Pedro Mahodaya, do you want to try?
Mahodaya,
But
it will be a little bit difficult, okay, but I can try.
yeah, you can try. It is
Let me
very
see.
easy actually. Aham pibami, meaning I drink. I'm starting with I.
Okay, aham pibami.
I drink. Avam pibavaha, we too drink.
Avam.
Avam pibavaha.
Okay, aham pibami.
Mm,
Avam
mm.
pibataha.
Piba,
Pibatavaha.
no. Pibavaha.
No.
Only you add va to the root pib.
Okay, piba. Okay.
You add
okay.
avaha actually. You add avaha to the
Okay.
root pib. Pibavaha.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Then it means that the root is pib, right? Then we can just add avaha, isn't it?
Yeah, to pib, you add the pratyaya avaha, the suffix avaha. To the root pib plus avaha, pibavaha, meaning we too drink.
Okay, let me just try. Okay. Aham pibami.
Hmm.
Avam
Hmm.
pibavaha.
Hmm.
Vayam
Hmm.
pibamaha. No,
Samyak.
pibamaha.
Samyak. Vayam pibamaha. We all drink. Vayam means we all. Pibamaha is drink. Then let's go to Madhyama Purusha. You. So you drink.
You drink.
So it is tvam.
You. Tvam.
Yeah. Tvam. Pib
Tvam
plus asi.
pibasi. Pibasi.
Tvam pibasi.
Tvam pibasi.
Hmm.
Tvam pibasi.
Hmm.
Here the second.
Yuvam.
The pronoun.
Yuvam.
How can we say?
Yuvam.
Yuvam.
Hmm.
Yuvam.
Hmm.
Pibat.
Pib.
And the
Yuyam.
third. Yuyam.
Yuyam.
Pibata.
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 Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yuyam pibata.
Then let's say boy drinks. So
Then
balakaha.
balakaha pibati.
Balakaha pibati.
Balakaha pibati. Balakaha.
Balakau is two boys.
Okay. Balakau.
Pibataha.
Balakau pibataha.
And
Balakaha.
Pibanti.
Balakaha pibanti.
Pibanti. Samyak. Astu.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Lalita Mahodaya, do you want to try? Lalita Mahodaya, something's wrong with her connection today, I guess. Astu. So let's go one more round. Can you do this without saying? It must be pretty easy by now. Okay, so what is happening here? There is a root and there is a suffix. Everything in Sanskrita is a root and a suffix. So to make a noun, there is a some beautiful flowchart is there. See, Tigantam means Kriyapadam, meaning verb. So to make a verb, there is a dhatu. Dhatu means root. To this root, a pratyaya called thing is added. When a dhatu and thing is added, we get a Kriya Pada. Similarly, for when we add a Pratipadikam, Pratipadikam also means root. To a Pratipadikam, when we add a Pratyaya called Sup. What is a Pratyaya? Suffix. So to a Pratipadikam root, when we add a suffix called Sup, we get a Namapadam, noun. So in Sanskritam, everything is a Pratyaya. Everything, there is an equation. To a root, you add something, you get something. Then you add something else, you will get something else. Everything is like a maths equation. So it's just some nice to know information. We can even, the dhatu can become a pratipadikam also. This is all technical information. Dhatu can become a pratipadikam by adding a pratyaya called krit. This and all is high level. Maybe next level we'll learn in more detail. But it is always good to know that there is a root and then there is a pratyaya attached to it to make a verb or a noun. The root that you add to make a namapada is pratipadikam, and the root that you add to make a kriya pada is called dhatu. Prashna asti va?
Nasti Mohan.
Astu. So when we say Rama Shabda, right? Ramaha Shabda. What kind of Shabda is it? Usually, how do I tell? Yeah, Namapada. So when Vinod Mahaday, you were there last class, right? What Akaranta is it? Bhavan mute madhya asti. Kripya unmute karotu.
Akaranta.
So it is Akaranta, Pullinga. What Shabda? Rama Shabda. Akaranta Pullinga Rama Shabda. Rama. It's very important. That Rama, but what is the first, what do we say? The first thing, we say Ramaha. In Ekavachanam, we say Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. But what is the Pratipadikam for that? I hope you are able to understand what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha is there, right? But what is the root for that? How did from the root only we have got Ramaha. From the root only we have got Ramau. From the root only we have got Ramaha. But what is the root? The root is called Pratipadikam, and the root for the Ramaha Shabdaha, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, the root is Rama. Rama. Astu. So that's why we say Akaranta Pullinga Rama Shabdaha. What is the root for Hari Shabdaha? Hari only.
Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. Hari.
Hari Shabdaha. Correct. Ikaranta Pullinga Hari Shabdaha. But what is the first sound? Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. Harihi.
Harihi.
So, but how did Harihi come? How did the he sound? From Hari. What is that root called in Sanskrita?
Namapad.
Pratipadikam.
Pratipadikam.
Pratipadikam is the root. Astu. What is the root for, what is the Pratipadikam for Vanam?
Vana.
Vana, correct. So what is it? Akaranta. It ends in A. You said Vana, right? What is the last sound? So that's why it is Akaranta Napumsakalinga Vana Shabdaha. Astu. What is the for Nadi? How will you say Nadi?
Nadi. Nadihi. But Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda.
Ikaranta Strilinga.
Strilinga.
Ikaranta Strilinga Nadi Shabdaha. Nadi. That Nadi is what? Pratipadikam. Sometimes Pratipadikam, the first word will not change. In Nadi, it is not changing. Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyaha. Okay. So that is Pratipadikam. Now for Dhatu, I said Pib Dhatu. For Pib, you add Ati, Asi, Ami. To Pib. What is the root Pib? Pib means to drink. Pib means to drink. From that pib only, aham pibami, avam pibavaha, vayam pibamaha. That pib is the root. The root for verb is called dhatu. The root for the nouns is called pratipadikam. Astu. The root for noun is called pratipadikam. The root for verb is called dhatu. Dhatu. So it is very, very important to know the dhatus and pratipadikams, because only later on you can build and create new words. In Sanskritam, you can create your new words. It allows you to create new words, provided we know the dhatu and pratipadikam. So we can add whatever suffix we want and create words. So, okay, now we will go ahead. So we learnt all this. Can you say with this some, like there are only 4-5 of us, no? We'll quickly start with Kulashekara Mahodaya. And please, you take one word for each gender and just go ahead. Like, say I say Saha Krishnaha. So Saha Krishnaha, Tau Krishna, Te Krishnaha. Like that.
Saha Ramaha, Tau Ramau, Te Ramaha. Sa Sita, Te Site, Taha Sitaha. Tat Parnam, Te Tat Parnam, Te Parne, Tani Parnani.
Samyak. For Yeshaha, you can use the same words also.
Yeah. Eshaha Ramaha, Etau Ramau, Ete Ramaha. Esha Sita, Ete Site, Etaha Sitaha. Etat Parnam, Ete Parne, Etani Parnani.
Astu. So if I have to say this leaf, what is the translation? This leaf.
Etat Parnam.
Etat Parnam. Astu. So those are all Sitas?
Those are all Sitas will be Taha Sitaha.
Taha Sitaha. And these two are, what do I say? I can't think of any. These two are teachers, Guru.
Etau Guravaha.
Etau?
Guravaha.
Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. So Etau, Guru. Etau, Guru. Astu. Okay, there is one more question we have to add to this. I'll come to that. Let's all take one round and finish it off. Next, whose turn? Dhruva Mahoday.
Ji. Saha Lakshmanaha. Tau Lakshmanau. Te Lakshmani.
Te? What is this?
Huh?
It's just going somewhere. Can you see the screen?
Yeah. Te Lakshmane, no, Lakshmanaha.
Te Lakshmana.
Te Lakshmanaha.
Samyak.
Then, Sa Sita. Te Site. Ta Sitaha.
Can you try
Something else?
Parvati, please?
Okay. So, Sa Parvati. Te Parvatyau.
Samyak.
Taha Parvatyaha.
Samyak.
Tat Upanetram. Te Upanetre. Tani Upanetrani.
Samyak. So
Then,
okay, go ahead. Yesha, you understood what the concept actually, right?
You want me to try with Eshaha also?
Okay, go ahead.
Eshaha Lakshmanaha. Etau Lakshmanau. Ete Lakshmanaha. Esha Parvati.
Hmm.
Ete
Hmm.
Parvatyau.
Hmm.
Etaha Parvatyah.
Hmm.
Etat
Hmm.
Upanetram.
Hmm.
Ete Upanetre.
Hmm.
Etani Upanetrani.
Samyak.
Will it be?
Samyak. Vinod Mahodaya, do you want to try Hari?
Hari. From Pullinga, ma'am.
Yes.
Saha. Saha Harihi. Tau Hari.
Hari. Astu.
Te Arayaha.
Samyak.
Strilinga, ma'am. For
You can
that,
try. What word you want to try?
another word, any other word.
Gauri.
Okay.
Hmm.
Three sa Gauri. Te confused.
Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah. So Gauri.
Gauri, Gaurav.
Gauriau.
Gauriau. Okay. Te Gauriau. Taha Gauriyaha. Napunsaka. Tat Kankanam. Te Kankana.
Kankane, Vanam Vane, Vanani. You should always remember the first word we learned. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, Harihi, Hari, Harayaha, Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha, Rama, Rame, Ramaha, Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyaha, Vanam Vane, Vanani. 7 only we have learned till now. Today we will introduce 3 more.
Okay. Te Kankane, Tani Kankanani.
Tani, Kankanani. Astu. So if I have to say, what did we say? These two are Gauris. How will you say?
These two. These two.
So 2 means you have to see the center section, right? Advivachana. When I say 2, you have to see the center. And you have to see this table when I'm saying these. Because this is far away table, no. Whenever the word starts with A, it means these. So when I say these two, and I'm saying what word I'm saying? Strilinga word. So then we come only till, this is the only thing we can say. So Ete.
These two Sitas.
Gauri.
Gauri. Ete Gauriyaha.
Gauriau.
Gauriau.
Ete Gauriau means these two Gauris. Astu. So then if I say these are fruits.
These are fruits. Palam. Okay. Ete Pale.
I didn't say 2.
One.
Many.
Palani.
These.
Okay. Etaha Palani.
Etani Palani.
Etani Palani. Okay.
This is Napumsakalingam, na? So what and all we have to remember? We have to remember the gender, the number, whether it is 1 number, 2 numbers or many number, the gender, and we have to see whether the person is close by or far away. 3 things we have to say. We have to see. Okay. Okay, then what is the difference between Tvam and Bhavan? Bhavan Katham Asti, first class we learned, right? Bhavan is you. Bhavataha is your. Bhavataha Namakim. Bhavataha Namakim is your name. But Bhavan Katham Asti, how are you is Bhavan. Bhavan is you. Bhavati is for a lady you. But then Tvam is also you. So, but what's the difference between Tvam, Bhavan and Bhavati? So, Tvam is without respect and Bhavan, Bhavati is when you want to give respect to the person. Astu. So then if there are many men and you want to give them respect, then you say Bhavantah.
Okay.
And there are only two people, it is Bhavantav. It's very simple actually.
Sorry, teacher.
Pedro Mohdaya, Padatu.
Yes, I want to know. I couldn't understand very well the difference between Tuam and Bhavan.
So, do you have this in Portuguese? I don't know. How do I explain it?
Bhavan is for respect or without respect?
With respect, with respect. In English, we don't have this concept, no? We say you to everyone, but even if the person is elder to you, we still say you to the person. But in most Indian language, in all Indian languages, we have, when we talk to a child or when we talk to a person of the same age, we say, hey, you. But then when we talk to a person who is elderly, then we definitely use our respected you. There is no equivalent word in English. So we have this Bhavan is for when you address a man who you want to show respect to, then you say Bhavan, and Bhavati is for the lady. When there are two people, you, with respect you want to say, then you say Bhavantav, and many, then it is Bhavantah. This Bhavati, Bhavatyav, Bhavatyah is for a lady, one lady, two ladies is Bhavatyav, many ladies is Bhavatyah. Do you have this in Portuguese?
Yes, we have in Portuguese. We say você e tu. Tu é uma forma informal, informal way, and você is a formal way.
Astu. Okay. Actually,
we have two different words.
Oh, Astu. Very good. But we don't, this is not formal. I won't say, yeah, maybe you can say it's formal also. Yeah. So basically, this is still usually to show respect. Okay. Astu. So today I said we are going to introduce 3 more forms, right? We learned Ramaha Harihi Guruhu. We know Sita Rama Nadi. Now in Strilinga, we are going to have a U ending sound and a U ending sound. So what is this? Denuhu. Denuhu, Denu, Dhenavaha. What is the meaning of Denu?
Cow.
Huh?
Cow.
Cow. So that is why in our scriptures, usually there is one Dhenu we always know, read about or heard about it. Kamadhenuhu. Have you heard of it? Kamadhenu? Yeah. So what is the speciality of Kamadhenu? It gives all your kamas. What is the meaning of kama? The wishes. Whatever your wishes is, the Dhenu will give. So Kamadhenu. Dhenuhu. So what is it? Strilinga or Pullinga?
Denuhu. Pullingam.
Nasti. Strilinga. Strilinga. Denuhu. So you just because a word ends with uhu, it is always pullinga. We should not think like that. Every word there is we should know the gender. Astu. So denuhu is a strilinga word. In just like guru, it also is denu. Just like guravaha, this is denavaha. Denuhu, denu, denavaha. What is this? Vaduhu. Vaduhu, vadvau, vadvaha. What's the meaning of vaduhu?
Vadu in Kannada. Bride.
Same meaning. Same meaning. Bride, newly married girl or bride. So vaduhu, vadvau, vadvaha. So if I have to say what kind of word is vadu, if I ask you, what will you say? So we have to say, just for Ramaha, how will we say? Akaranta Pullinga Rama Shabdaha. So if I say vaduhu, what word we should say?
Ukaranta strilinga.
Correct. Ukaranta strilinga vadu shabdah. Okay. So it is vaduhu, vadvau, vadvah. What is for denuhu? What kind of shabda is it?
Strilinga ukaranta.
Ukaranta strilinga dhenu shabdah.
Denu shabdah. You can't say denuhu shabdah. You should say denu shabdah. Denu is the pratipadikam. Astu. So we learned 2 new ending sounds in Strilinga. 2 new ending sounds. Now in Napumsakalinga, we already know Pustakam and Palam. We are going to read today Vari. Vari, meaning, what is the meaning of Vari? Jalam, water. Water. Astu. Vari, Varini, Varini. When I learned this, I used to think, what is this? 1 water, 2 waters, many waters. How can that be possible? 1 water, 2 water. But then looks like that usage is there. So there is water, 2 waters and many waters. That's how we can, or maybe a pot full of water. We don't know. Then Madhu. Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni. So what kind of shabda is Vari and Madhu? Please tell me.
Ikaranta
Hmm.
napunsakalinga.
Hmm.
Vari.
Yeah. Vari shabda. Ikarantan napumsakalinga Vari shabda.
Okay.
And Madhu?
Madhu is Ukaranta.
Hmm.
Napusakalinga Madhu Shabdaha.
There is Anishta Dvanihi Agachati, Pedro Mahodaya. Are you near a television or a football match or something? Astu. Madhu.
Couldn't get?
No, there is some noise coming from a TV or something. Can you go elsewhere to another place or something?
Okay, I will disconnect it. Okay, thanks.
Astu. So what is the meaning of Madhu?
Honey.
Honey. Madhu is honey, Vari is water. So now if I have to say, let's say Dhenu is here, right? I had one more word for, let's see. Can you see my screen?
Amol.
What can you see?
Make it bigger, please.
No, what can you see first of all?
Okaranta punlinga go shabdah. Now it is Ikaranta strilinga nadi shabdah.
Astu. This is Shabda Manjari. We will come to it later. But today I just want to, see, Deno is here, no? So, yeah. So now let's try Tanu, Raju and Chanchu for the Pratama Shabda. So let's try Tanu. Tanu means slim. Slim. So how will Tanu be? What are the forms? Tanuhu, Tanu, Tanavaha. Okay, what is for Raju? Raju. Vinod Mahodaya. Bhavan mute madhya asti.
Can I try? Can you hear me, Mahodaya?
Yes. 1 minute. Vinod Mahodaya is doing. The next one you can try, Mahodaya.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you. Well, thank you.
What
You
is
can hear me.
Raju.
Yes. Raju means rope.
Okay.
And it's a Strilinga Ukaranta Shabdaha.
Okay. Rajuhu. Rajvau.
No. Rajuhu.
Okay. Raju. Rajavaha.
Raju. Rajuhu. Raju.
Rajava.
Rajavaha. So 1 rope,
Rajava.
2 ropes, many ropes. Rajuhu, Raju, Rajavaha. So, what about Chanchu? Lalita Mahodaya, Chanchu.
Chanchu.
Chanchuhu. Chanchuhu.
Chanchuhu. Chanchu. Chanchavah.
What is the meaning of chanchu? It is the beak of a bird.
Okay.
Beak of a bird. Now, for Vadu, we will see Vadu. Let's see for Vadu, what other words do we have? If I can see, I can ask. Chamu. Chamu. Vadu means bride, right? Vadu, Vadva, Vadvaha. What is for Chamu? Kulashekara Mahodaya. Chamu.
Chamuhu, chamavau, chamavaha.
Na. Chamuhu. Vaduhu, Vadva, right? Chamuhu.
Chamavau,
Chamvau.
chamvau, chamavaha.
Chamvaha.
Chamvaha.
Chambaha. All this will be very difficult initially. I found it extremely, sometimes even irritating. But then, going forward, actually, it sounded very sweet to the ears. Especially when you see it used in literature or shlokas. I used to think, why not like in English have as, in, at, that, and all that, instead of having so many lingas, so many vachana, plural, singular, and so many ending words, and we don't know which is pullinga, which is strilinga. But eventually, when you keep reading it, it'll become a piece of cake, and it'll also sound nice to the ears. Astu. So, chamuhu, chamvau, chamvaha. What is chamu? Army. Okay, shwash. What is the another word? Shwashru. Dhruva Mahodaya, married?
Yes.
Shwashru.
Mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law. Shwashru, mother-in-law.
Shwashru. Okay.
Shwash.
So dirgha u matra.
Dirgha u.
Swashruhu. Swashrau.
Swashravaha, something like that. I will.
Swashravaha.
Yes.
Swashravaha.
Yes. Swashravaha. So you understand that we have learnt 4 more ending sounds today. 2 in Strilinga and 2 in Napumsakalinga. For example, Madhu, right? Madhu means honey, which is a Napumsakalinga word. Suppose if I have to say Mridu, how will we say? Who wants to go? Vinod Mahodaya? Mridu.
Ukara anta napunsaka linga mridu shabdaha.
Mridu.
Mriduni. Mriduni.
So here ni is dirgha ni, here ni is hrasva ni. Hrasva. Yeah, small. Hrasva. Here this u is hrasva u, here u is dirgha u. So that's the difference. You have to keep, singing it. Ramaha, Rama, Ramaha, Hari, Hari, Harayaha. Sing it, it'll be easier. Okay, so now we all have done this. What happened to Asti? Yeah, we'll come to Asti. Yeah. So we have learned this, right? Last class we learned Asti. What is the meaning of Asti?
There.
Is. So if I have to say I am, or if I have to say boy is or he is, then how will you say? Saha asti. Saha asti. If I have to say I am, how will you say?
Asi.
Aham asmi. Remember, always me with aham. Yeah. If I have to say you are, then I have to say
Tvam asi.
Tvam asi. Similarly, if I have to say you two are there,
Yuvam Staha.
Yuvam staha. So this is the table for asti shabda. Astu. Lalita Mahoday, do you want to read this?
एकवचनं
Hmm.
प्रथमपुरुषः
Hmm.
अस्ति,
Hmm.
द्विवचनं
Hmm.
स्तः,
Hmm.
बहुवचनं
Hmm.
सन्ति.
Hmm.
मध्यमपुरुषः
Hmm.
एकवचनं
Hmm.
असि,
Hmm.
द्विवचनं
Hmm.
तः,
Hmm.
बहुवचनं
Hmm.
त.
Ta. Hmm.
उत्तमपुरुषः
Hmm.
एकवचनं अस्मि,
Hmm.
द्विवचनं स्वः,
Hmm.
बहुवचनं
Hmm.
स्मः.
Astu. So if you want to say I am Lalita, how will you say?
अहं ललिता
Aham Lalita. You can say Aham Lalita or you can say Aham Lalita Asmi.
अस्मि.
Or if you want to say I am a teacher, then how will you say?
अहं शिक्षका अस्मि.
Shikshika Asmi.
शिक्षिका अस्मि.
Suppose you want to say, what can we say? Pens are there. Pens.
लेखनी.
Lekani.
लेखनी
So what is for the plural of lekani? Like nadi, nadyau, nadyah. Similarly,
लेखन्या
lekanyah. So lekanyah.
लेखन्यः स्मः.
No, why smaha? Why it's not Uttama Purusha. Bahuvachanam, but it is not Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha is non, I. You
Okay.
want to see Pratama Purusha.
Okay. So can you briefly explain what is Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha? I could not hear that one.
So
The class.
Pratama Purusha is first person. To
Okay.
say, not first person, to third person, to somebody else. He,
Okay.
she, Krishna, Rama, that, whatever not related to you or I. Anything that is not related to you or I is Pratama Purusha.
Okay.
Okay. So that then what is remaining? He, she, that and all. Madhyama Purusha is you. Madhyama Purusha. This whole middle line is you. So
Okay.
you are, you will say Tvam Asi. And the last line is for Aham, I. Aham Asmi, I am. Vivachana is Avam Svaha, we too. And last one, Vayam Smaha, we are. We all are. You're able to
Okay.
follow?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, okay. So, but we have to remember all this. It is better that we remember next class, because every class it is difficult to revise this again and again. So, see, Tvam Vriddhaha Asi. So, we are looking at a person and we are saying Tvam Vriddhaha Asi. Yuvam Vriddhe Staha. Why is it Vriddhe?
Strilinga.
Two
Strilinga.
people are
Ladies.
two
Two
people
ladies.
are two
Yeah,
Vruddhas are
Two
there.
people.
Yeah, two Vriddhas are, two old ladies are there. So it is Taha. Astu. And Yuyam Vriddhaha Stha. Many old ladies are there. So you are all old ladies. That's what it means. Astu. So from now here it is the exercise. We'll come to that exercise. Before that, let's do this. Prashna Vachakaha. So it will be a little different. Otherwise, I'm always talking about verb. Okay, what are the Prashna Vachakas we know? Can you form some questions from here? See, we know Kaha, Ka, Kim. Kaha is for a Pullinga, Ka is for a Strilinga, Kim is for a Napumsakalinga. So, Saha Kaha, Saha Balakaha. Yesha Ka, Yesha Balika. Tat Kim, Tat Pustakam. Okay. What is the next one? Va. Va. What is anything you add va to the end? Then it becomes a question. Esha Duravani va. So I hold a phone in my hand and ask, Esha Duravani va? Esha Duravani. Astu. What is the third one? Kutra. We have learnt all this. That's why I am explaining it very fast. Previous classes, we have learnt all this. Kutra is where. Where? Kutra vasati. Bhavan kutra vasati. Where do you stay? So then we say a place. Or we say atra, tatra, anyatra, sarvatra. Right? Atra is here, tatra is there, anyatra is elsewhere, and sarvatra is everywhere. So if I have to say Ishwaraha sarvatra asti, what is the meaning of that?
God is everywhere.
God is everywhere.
If I have to change it to plural, gods are everywhere.
Ikshvara
Devaha.
sarvatra santi.
Devataha sarvatra santi.
Ishwaraha sarvatra santi or Devaha sarvatra santi. The next one is Kati. Kati is how many. How many? So the answer will be numbers that we learned. Pancha, Ashta, Ekadasha, Ityadi. What is Ityadi? And
Etc.
etc. And so on. And so on. Okay, the last one, we have learned this also, I remember. Kada. Kada is when. Kada is when. Adya, today. Shvaha, tomorrow. Pratah kale, morning. Ityadi, and so on. Adya, today. Shvaha, yesterday. I'm sorry, tomorrow. Pratah kale, the morning. Can you form any sentences? Let's make it interesting. Any questions and answer for that? Let's say, Dwaram kutra asti? My door. Dwaram kutra asti? Where is my door? Dwaram atra asti. The door is here. So like that, can you all make one question? Sorry. We'll start with Dhruva Mahoday.
Can I ask a question? Mama varga kada asmi?
Mama
Will it be?
vargah kada asti? Samyak.
Asti.
Kada asti? Mama vargah ashtavadane asti. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock.
Kada will be today or tomorrow, right?
Kada means
Kada.
when. Kada means when. So you can say
Oh.
today, tomorrow, morning, evening.
Oh, okay, okay.
afternoon.
Time also is in that only.
Yes, time also you can say. Ekavadane,
Okay.
Dvivadane, all that. Astu. Samyak. Kulashekara Mahodaya.
श्वः कार्यालये श्वः कार्यालये अवकाशः अस्ति वा? कार्यालये is wrong.
What are you trying to say actually?
Is the office closed tomorrow?
Shvaha karyalayah closed will be
Or closed or a holiday? Holiday would be avakasha.
Viramaha also you can say.
Virama.
Shvaha karyalayasya viramaha bhavati va?
Shvaha karyalayasya viramaha
Bhavati va?
asti va.
Asti va. But karyalayasya, that usage we have not yet learnt
We
yet.
have not yet come. Okay.
Yeah, we have
So you
not
can
yet.
say Shvaha viramaha asti va.
Tomorrow is tomorrow a holiday. Simple. Astu. Vinod Mahodaya.
I want to use a cadaver. Grishmakalam kada.
Grishmakalaha kada bhavati. When is Grishmakalaha? Chennai Nagare Grishmakalaha sada bhavati. Chennai Nagare Grishmakalaha sada bhavati. Bangalore Nagare katam asti?
It's raining.
वर्षाकालः वा?
वर्षकालः.
वर्षाकालः.
विजयवाडा अपि सर्वत्र ग्रीष्मकालः अस्ति महोदय.
विजयवाडा राकी प्लेन् न?
No, plain. It is plain, not rocky, महोदय. Plain.
ओ, समुद्रः समीपे अस्ति तर्हि
समुद्रः will be about 60 kilometers अस्ति महोदय.
ओके.
कृष्णा नदी समीपे अस्ति.
कृष्णानदी समीपे अस्ति. तर्हि ग्रीष्मकालः न भवति खलु?
सर्वत्र ग्रीष्मकालः एव भवति महोदय.
ओ, स्वेदः अस्ति, क्लेशः भवति. केनडा नगरे कथम् अस्ति? केनडा नगरे ललिता महोदय?
केनडा नगरे
केनडा राज्ये, सारी, केनडा राज्ये
राज्ये now it is changing to fall. How do I say?
Fall, पर्णानि पतन्ति, leaves are falling.
शिशिरः.
शिशिरः, शिशिरः कालः. पर्णानि पतन्ति, leaves fall. तदनन्तरं पर्णस्य रङ्गः अपि परिवर्तनं भवति. The color of the leaves परिवर्तनं भवति. दृश्यं बहु सुन्दरं भवति किल?
Yes, different colors of leaves you can see.
सम्यक्. अस्तु. Do you want to form a sentence question?
Yes. I can say Shikshuhu kada hasati.
Shishuhu kada hasati. You are asking when will the child laugh?
Yeah.
Is your question? What do you want to ask actually?
Shishuhu kada hasati.
When will the child laughs? So Shishuhu sarvata hasati. Always laughs. Okay, good. Yeah. Samyak. Astu. Dhruva Mahoday, bhavati kutra vasati America राज्ये?
अहं न्यूजर्सी नगरे अस्ति.
तत्रापि
न्यूजर्सी राज्ये, right? State.
वसामि.
Good catch.
Good catch, I know.
Pradeshe you can say, I think. But tatrapi fall season bhavati kila?
आम् महोदय.
भगिनी अपि अनुराधा अपि चलति. प्रश्नः वाक्य करोतु.
I'm totally blank right now.
Okay, you take your time. I'll go to Pedro Mahodaya and come back to you. Pedro Mahodaya, प्रश्नः वाक्यं करोतु.
It's difficult. Okay, I'm here.
Create a question, please.
To read a question, using kada.
Using any of these questions, Lord. So the left column is all questions. Kaha, ka, kim, ba, kutra, kati, kada.
And then we can say lekani kutra. Lekani kutra sati. Lekani kutra asti.
Lekani kutra asti. Kutra asti. Uttaram dadatu.
So I couldn't get.
Tell the answer, please.
The answer lekani atrasti.
The pen is here.
Lekani, yeah, pen is here.
Samyak. Dhruva Mahoday. धन्यवादः.
भारतदेशे समयः कः?
भारतदेशे समयः कः? भारतदेशे अधुना What is the time? Navavadane. Panchadika Navavadanam Bhavati. Ratrau. Astu. So we have learned all this, right? Let's see what else we have learned. We need to learn. Let's see. So now they have given a lot of dhatus. Can you see? See, so many dhatus are there. With these dhatus, I don't know if we have the time. I have already gone through so many things. See, this is vad. For example, this is vad. Vad means to speak. Yeah, speak. So it will be vad, vadati, vadataha, vadan. Yeah, vadati, vadataha, vadanti, vadasi. I'm used to saying vadami from the back, no? So it is difficult for me to go from this. That is why okay. So that we have to form those 9 formations. Can you just pick up any one and then go ahead and tell me? So we have all these. Just each of us, can you out of your mind think and tell? Let's see. Kulashekar Mahodaya, you seem to be knowing much.
I'll start with Vad Mahoday.
Vad, okay.
Vadati, vadataha, vadati, vadati, vadataha, vadanti. Vadasi, vadataha, vadata. Vadami, vadavaha, vadamaha.
Samyak, astu. Dhanyavada. Vad is to speak. So what has happened? You have added the pratyaya to the dhatu vad. Astu. Now next, Vinod Mahodaya.
Kadati.
Kad.
Kad.
So kad plus ati kadati.
Kadataha. Kadanti.
Kadasi.
Kadasi. Kadataha.
Kadata.
Kadata.
Then kadami.
For kadami.
This is Uttama Purushaha. Kadami, kadavaha.
Kadavaha. Kadavaha.
Maha.
Kadamaha.
Kadamaha. Do you want to try one more?
Patati. Patataha. Patanti. For patasi. Patataha. Patata. Patami. Patavam.
Patavaha.
Patavaha.
Maha. Samit. Then. Lalita Mahodaya. Do you want to try?
Yes. 1 second. So what?
No, you try a simple one, like say Pash.
Okay.
Pash will be Pashyati, to see.
Okay. Pashyati, Pashyataha, Pashyanti. Then Pashyasi, Pashyataha,
Pashyatha.
Pashyami, Pashyavaha, Pashyamaha.
Samyak. Dhruva Mahodaya.
Which can I take?
Try Bhu. Bhu will become?
Who is?
Who will become? Bhavati.
Bhavati, is it?
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Bhavati,
Hmm.
Bhavataha,
Hmm.
Bhavanti.
Hmm.
Bhavasi,
Hmm.
Bhavathaha,
Hmm.
Bhavatha.
Hmm.
Bhavami,
Hmm.
Bhavaha, Bhavavaha,
Hmm.
Bhavamaha.
So this asti, staha, stha, this as and bhu is same meaning. As and bhu is same meaning. Okay, bhavati and asti is the same meaning. So I just
Okay.
wanted to tell you that. Astu. Pedro Mahodaya, do you want to try has to laugh? Do you remember?
Pibati.
You want to try pibati only? Okay. Pibati.
Pibati.
Sorry, pibataha.
Pibata. Pibati.
Hmm.
Piba. Pibam. Pibami.
No, no.
Pibataha.
Pibati, pibataha, pibanti. Then pibasi.
Okay.
Hmm.
Pibataha.
Hmm.
Pibata.
Hmm.
And pibami.
Hmm.
Pibavaha.
Hmm.
Pibamaha.
Samyak. Astu. So what is this we are doing? We are doing present tense, isn't it? We are doing present tense. We are yet to learn future, past and other tenses. What is the technical term for Sanskritam present tense? Can you see the heading of this slide here?
Yes.
It says lat lakaraha. When somebody says, tell me the vad dhatu lat lakaraha. If somebody says lat lakaraha, present tense of the vad dhatu, then we say vadati, vadataha, vadanti, vadasi, vadatha, vadataha, vadataha, vadata. Correct. Lat means present tense. The other tenses have other names. We will learn that one by one. For now, present tense is lat. So the lot of technical terms we learned today. These are all sentences to practice. I'm not going to go through each of them due to lack of time. Mostly I have covered everything. So now, these don't follow the usual rules. These are also something we have to remember. They see here, what is the dhatu to do? Kr. Kr. But kr, if you say, see, it is karoti, then it should be karotaha, right? But it is not karotaha, it is kurutaha. Then it should be karonti, right? But it is not karonti, it is kurvanti. So these are special words. This kr to do, da to give, shri to hear, and nya to know. These are all special forms which we have to remember. So if we remember, it is easy to form sentences. Astu. Okay, whose turn to read? Kulashekara Mahodaya, va?
I will do it for you.
Yeah.
Pru dhatu kartari lat lakaraha parasmai padam. Karoti kurutaha kurvanti. Karoshi kurtaha kurutha. Karomi kurvaha kurmaha.
Samyak. Then Vinod Mahodaya, Shru.
Shru. Shru kartari lat lakaraha. Shunoti. Shunataha. Shunvanti.
Shrinmanti.
Shunvanti. Shunoshi. Shunyaha.
Shrunutaha.
Shunutaha. Shrunuta. Shrunomi. Shunvaha. Shrunuvaha.
So there are two forms they are saying. Shrinvaha is also there. Shrinuvaha is also there.
And Shrunmaha. Shrunumaha.
Shrinumaha. Yeah. So the more you keep reading, the more you will remember. Astu. Then Lalita Mahodaya, da to give.
Da kartri lat lakara Parasmai
Padam.
Parasmai padam Parasmai padam dadati dattaha dadati
Nana dadati.
dadati.
Can you see in is not here?
Yes.
Always in
Yes.
will be here it's not there.
Dadasi dattaha datta dadami dadvaha tadmaha
Dadmaha. Samyak. So this, what is this latlakara? Latlakara means present tense. What is this kartari? Active voice. Active. He is doing, I am doing, like that. This job is being done is passive voice. Kartari means active voice. Parasmai padam is one form of verbs. We will go through that slowly. Astu, who wants to read then Dhruva Mahodeva?
Jna, kartari, लट्लकारः परस्मैपदम् जानाति जानीतः जानन्ति जानासि जानीथः जानीथ जानामि जानीवः जानीमः.
So please remember this, huh? I don't have any other verb to give Pradru Mahodaya. Let's see.
So it will not stay gnati because the root word is gna and then we go to jna, janami.
Yeah, so this there are some sutras which make the gna go to become ja again.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, Astu. So yeah, I have covered everything. Any prashnaha santi va?
Na Mahoday.
Astu. Okay, then I'll close with the prayers. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Tat Sat. Let me stop the recording.